Based on Teuna Classic LUNC statistics, I'm happy to announce that over $170 million has been pumped into Teuna Classic within 2 weeks. So this is good, yes, because though I just wish that we are still in the day when LUNC cap was trading between $1.4 billion. Then we are recording over 200 to 300 million trading volume constantly every day. But Teuna Classic have really lost. The so many things have happened to LUNC, but I'm happy that they are bouncing back. I'm happy this coin is doing well. I'm happy the investments, people are really investing back. People are pushing in money. People are trying to make sure they keep supporting LUNC coins. So for me, I think $170 million in just 2 weeks is amazing. Okay, it's amazing because if you told me as of 3 weeks ago or as of 1 month ago that LUNC cap will be hitting back to almost $600 million, I will tell you no, because I believe that the way LUNC was trading then, we thought by now the market cap should be maybe about 100 or 200 million dollars. But we are happy to announce that almost $600 million market cap and over 170 million coming in within the last 2 weeks. Wow, this is amazing. I'm happy for LUNC. So let's hope for the best, and I believe that once more money keep pumping in, once many people keep believing on Teuna Classic, people keep buying Teuna Classic coins, Teuna Classic will keep improving every day by day. But if you want to buy what you can afford to lose. I believe crypto industry have come to stay. I believe the future of crypto industry. I believe in future a lot of people will make a lot of money, a lot of profits. Millionaires imagine buying cars, buying houses, investing in real estate, making money from crypto industry. Definitely this industry have really created a lot of millionaires. This industry have helped a lot of people, and this industry will continue to grow every day by day. Let's hope for the best. Once again, remember to like this video, share the video, drop your comment in the comment section below. Once again, thank you for stopping by.